Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and service so you don't chase phantom problems. Check that your phone, tablet, or gateway supports 5G NR and the Wi-Fi standard you want. Next, pick a carrier plan with 5G and obtain a compatible gateway or hotspot. Once you have it, insert the SIM or provision the eSIM. Make sure firmware is current. Once done, position the device near a window or high point to get the best initial signal for setup. You now dive into configuration so your 5G link becomes a reliable Wi-Fi network. Log into the Gateway app or admin page and immediately change the default admin password. Enable 5G operation and, if available, select the preferred 5G band for stability. Then configure the Wi-Fi SSID, security, use WPA3 if supported, and a strong passphrase. Make DHCP and IP assignments for critical devices and enable the built-in firewall. This optimizes performance while keeping your network secure and predictable. You finish by validating performance and having a quick recovery plan. Run speed and latency tests on several devices in different rooms. Note where performance drops and try repositioning the gateway or rotating antennas. If the 5G signal is weak, switch to an alternate 5G band or allow 4G fallback temporarily to stabilize service. If issues remain, reboot the unit, reinstall firmware, and then contact your carrier. One key troubleshooting tip: test with an external antenna or move the gateway outdoors briefly to confirm whether signal strength is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.